Hi, all. I'm Yaya, and I want to thank you so much for joining me again on day 4 of our 14-day Easy Beginner Watercolor Challenge. Day 4's challenge is no outlines, no problem. Let's create a soft, dreamy picture using just color and soft edges, mostly. This one's perfect for loosening up and for reminding ourselves that watercolor magic happens in the blur. So my picture today is mostly soft edges. The only hard edges I have are the grasses and the tree trunks. But again, it was fun to do. I'd seen a few videos that did the same thing, put the paint on and then added the water at the top and tilted your paper. So you'll see what I did on this one. So I hope you have fun doing this one. Thanks again for joining me. So remember, no outlines, no rules, and still pretty gorgeous. Keep that looseness going, and tomorrow we'll switch it up to something different.